Join me as I dive deep into the world of LCID stock to see if it's actually a good buy right now. Lucid Motors, the electric vehicle manufacturer, has been making waves in the market with its high-performance luxury cars. As the EV market continues to grow, many investors are wondering if LCID stock is a smart investment. With its unique approach to electric vehicle technology and increasing competition, it's essential to take a closer look at the company's current state. Lucid Motors has faced some significant challenges recently. One of the major concerns is the production issues that have been plaguing the company. Delays in delivering vehicles to customers and ramping up production have been a significant hurdle. Additionally, the company has been facing intense competition in the EV market, with established players like Tesla and new entrants like Rivian. These challenges have impacted the stock's performance, causing concerns among investors. The question is, can Lucid Motors overcome these obstacles and get back on track? The electric vehicle market is rapidly evolving, and Lucid Motors is positioning itself as a major player. With its focus on luxury electric vehicles, the company is targeting a specific niche. Recent developments, such as the expansion of its product lineup and investments in new technologies, could affect the stock's performance. As the market continues to shift towards sustainable energy, Lucid Motors' innovative approach could pay off. However, the competition is fierce, and the company needs to execute its plans flawlessly. Several analysts and experts have been weighing in on whether LCID stock is a good buy right now. Some have expressed concerns about the production issues and competition, while others see potential for growth. One of the key insights is that Lucid Motors has a solid foundation, with a strong product and increasing demand. However, the company's ability to scale production and meet customer demand will be crucial. The stock's current valuation and potential for long-term growth are also important factors to consider. Ultimately, the decision to invest in LCID stock depends on individual investment goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, Lucid Motors and its stock, LCID, present a complex picture. The company faces challenges, but it also has opportunities for growth. By understanding the current state of the EV market and the company's position within it, investors can make informed decisions. Whether LCID stock is a good buy right now depends on individual perspectives and investment strategies. If you have any thoughts on LCID stock or the electric vehicle market, I'd love to hear them in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about stock analysis or EV trends, be sure to check out my next video.